6 oils that will fight wrinkles and give you a youthful skin. Number 1. Argan oil. Packed with antioxidants and fatty acids, argan oil hydrates and nourishes the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 2. Marula oil. Known for its high levels of vitamin C and E, marula oil helps boost collagen production, improving skin elasticity and firmness. 3. Sweet almond oil. Rich in vitamin E and fatty acids, sweet almond oil moisturizes the skin and protects against free radical damage, preventing premature aging. 4. Rosehip oil. A powerhouse of vitamins A and C. Rosehip oil promotes cell regeneration and collagen synthesis, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and scars. 5. Olive oil. With its potent anti-inflammatory properties, olive oil helps soothe and soften the skin, diminishing the signs of aging and promoting a youthful glow. 6. Black seed oil. Packed with antioxidants and essential fatty acids, black seed oil helps repair and rejuvenate the skin, leaving it smoother and more radiant. If you want to see more videos like this, comment, "I need more."